Okay, what I want to do now is show you this section of the scope, which is the horizontal section of the scope, or the sweep range. This is like a variable sweep scope. We're going to have it in the oscilloscope RTTY setting up here. This is where we're going to set it. I've got displayed now a 1000 hertz wave coming out of this jack over here with my oscilloscope probe into the vertical input. I've got the vertical input set on a gain of 1, and I've got basically a synovial wave. This is set at 1000 to 10,000 hertz. So if I take a look at 1000 hertz, I've got my variable gain, and I'll show you that here. This is the horizontal position, so it goes back and forth like this, and as you can see, we're looking at one synovial wave coming out at 1000 hertz, and then we've got this setting at 1000 to 10K here. Okay, I'm going to flip this around. As you can see, this is scaled 100 hertz to 1K hertz, 10 hertz to 100 hertz, and I'll flip this down, and it goes up to 10 K hertz to 100,000 K hertz. RTTY, or external. It's got a trap adjustment, and then horizontal input, which is here, external sync coming in here, just like in a regular oscilloscope. So this is basically a oscilloscope and also a monitor for your single sideband or monitor. It has the IF modules inside, and I'll take it apart here and we can see those, but I want to show you that the sine wave will change to a more waves when we flip the switch. And I'll lock it in with this, and you can see that now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 or 10 synovial waves across here. And in this we have 1, should have about 10 there. And if we press it down to 1 to 100, and it really becomes small, and as you can see here, I can spread it wide with my very sweep variable here knob, and you can see it goes down. Okay, it's a 1000 hertz internal sine wave on this scope monitor. Very nice scope made by Kenwood here, and wanted to demonstrate the ability of the scope to work through the sweep ranges. And we'll take a look also at the ability of the scope to show the compression on a wave coming out of a transceiver. I've got this hooked up to a ICOM IC 751 transceiver, solid state transceiver, and I'm going to demonstrate to compact the compression that this transmitter puts out. So a very nice little oscilloscope here, and take a look at it. Okay, we'll be right back.